Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to announce a live training event in conjunction with FlowShala. FlowShala is one of my favorite yoga studios because it is an atypical yoga studio. They do everything as kind of Metcon training, and they introduce steel mace into the entire equation. Introducing steel mace to yoga helps people learn it faster and gives them an overall better response. FlowShala is run by one of my favorite coaches, Summer Huntington. We have extremely different coaching styles and extremely different things that we focus on in coaching, but that means that I very much enjoy her perspectives on many topics. We are going to team up and we are going to do a live training event at the end of April, beginning of May, kind of the course broken up over the course of a weekend. It will be located in Bellingham, Washington, where the FlowShala main studio is. Some of the things that we are going to work on in the seminar is unchoreographed staff fighting drills to develop athletic training. They are unchoreographed drills which teach people how to respond. We will be linking that into our idea of yoga. One of the most common and oldest positions in yoga is warrior pose, warrior 1 and warrior 2. Warrior, one leg forward, one leg back with two hands forward. Warrior 2, rotated to the side, a more open hip version. We're gonna do a lot of drills around that. We're also thinking about incorporating some kettlebell coaching, some heavy club coaching, obviously some yoga coaching, some movement coaching, and some flow coaching. We're still playing with the design right now because we have time to think about it, but we are very interested in bringing back live training events. Obviously, for the last 2 years, there have not been a lot of live training events, especially on the West Coast because of COVID. Now that restrictions have eased, we are going to start bringing live events back so that we can get together and have fun and learn at the same time. I myself am notorious for never taking an actual vacation in my entire life. I only go to trainings because I think it's fun, and I would rather spend my time off learning something new than I would just doing something useless or sitting around or drinking or something like that. So when I go someplace, I want to learn a skill and I want to get new perspectives on something, anything. Could be horseback riding, could be fighting, could be archery. In this case, it will be some of Summer's excellent coaching on yoga and the integration of steel mace into that idea. And then I get to shove in some of my staff fighting stuff, and then we'll get to do her perspective on kettlebells and my perspective on kettlebells. Overall, it's going to be super nerdy and fun. If you are a trainer, this is the kind of nerd stuff you should be doing with your time and money. If you are not a trainer and you are just interested in getting the most out of life, this is also a great idea. It doesn't matter who you are or what population you are, super fit, super athletic, professional athlete, normal person, workman, yogi. Everybody can come together and everybody can learn and benefit from being around other people of other perspectives. We are gonna have a link down below. Go ahead, sign up. I think we have 25 total slots. It's first come, first serve. And we're gonna try and shove a bunch of people together, and we are going to learn and do cool things because that is the entire purpose of life.